Hey givers, it's Zinan and today I just made a new algorithm which is called I. We all know there's a lot of cube moves like R, L, U. In that case, we have a move called E. This is E and this is E inverse. So I just made an algorithm with E prime. We all know about GC prime, and this is one of them, the new algorithm over here. You find this like to headlight and like this. You have to do this algorithm R2 U prime R U prime R U R prime U R2 E Y, then R U prime R prime E prime. Then you've got this. Thank you for watching this video.